Hi, my name's Matt Semmens. I run the Australian Guitar Making School in Newcastle, and I was just putting a little video together to let people know that I'm going to run an intensive ukulele making course in October, running from the 11th to the 18th, just before the week before the Newcastle Ukulele Festival. And we're going to be building some tenor ukuleles at this course. Just like the ones I've got here. And we're going to be building them out of some fantastic Australian timbers. We've got a few selections. We've got some Queensland walnut, it's a nice dark timber with some lovely figure in it. And we've also got some Tasmanian myrtle, which is a nice pink colour with a nice green flecks through it, and really nice figure. That when I'm under finish you'll be able to see it. You probably can't see the video there. And some of the top timbers, we've got some Australian hardwoods. We've got some silver quandong, which is one of my favourites to use. It's a nice yellow, sort of light coloured timber, but it goes a real honey sort of golden colour, which looks really beautiful. And so with the course is an intensive course, so basically you'll build the ukulele from scratch. So it's not in a kit form, you'll be literally making the whole thing from start to finish, which is why it runs a little bit longer than a normal ukulele course. There's no woodworking experience needed at all. Most people that come to the course here at Newcastle to build a guitar or ukulele have never had any woodworking experience, so it doesn't matter if you've never picked up a tool before, you'll still be able to build a fantastic ukulele that sounds as good as these ones. And about the sound, you can hear from the video there, which I've just got a crappy little microphone from my phone, but you can probably hear that the ukuleles that we build have a really sweet, big, lovely sound. And it would be comparable to if you went and bought a ukulele from a maker. That's the sort of quality of sound of a uke that you'll end up with, which is pretty fantastic that you can build it yourself. So yeah, if you're interested in wanting to build a ukulele, give us a call, and we can build some wonderful ukuleles together.